What is up, everybody? This is part 3 of the series. Let's run a smart contract on Nebulas in our local environment. To do that, first we need a smart contract. Here is a smart contract. We're going to be running this and this. And if you scroll down, more of it. And this actually has comments, as you can see, that explain what each function does. If you're a developer, you can read the comments, take a minute to understand what's going on here. Now, what we want to do here in this tutorial is deploy the contract. So we're going to be using curl again. So before we use this command, first we need to open up a terminal. Open this up. We need to cd into our root directory. So mine is go to source, GitHub, go Nebulas. All right, let's start the neb. Oh, another error. Okay, what is the error? Let's see. Oh, the dynasty file again. And it says failed to load genus from storage different within genus config. Okay. Okay, so genus config is the problem. So let's open that up. I'm going to delete this, see what the hell happens here. Save. I'm going to run neb again. Got it working. So glitchy sometimes, but hey, do what you got to do. All right, so let's grab this command, copy it, open up a new terminal. I'm going to use Command D. Okay, right here. Let's make this a bit bigger so everyone can see, or move this to the side here. Open this up. Okay, I'm going to copy paste the entire command. It's quite big. And paste that in, or and hit enter. And we'll see that error, key not unlocked, code 2. What this means is the address is not unlocked. I think this address needs to be unlocked in order for us to run the contract. So we need to use a unlock protocol. I don't remember on top of my head how to unlock something. So what we can do is go back. I know in the second tutorial there was an unlock command. Let's go find unlock. Okay, this is the command to unlock. Let's use this. Okay, copy, unlock, and this actually unlocks the address we need. If you look in here, it will actually be the same address. So, okay, now it's unlocked. Let's go ahead and run that contract again. Now you can see it prints out a TX hash and a contract address. Okay, so we successfully ran that contract. So let's go back into tutorial 3. Scroll down, and right, this is the goal. This was the goal, to get this result. And as you can see, we do have this result, TX hash, right, contract address. So that's good. Basically, if we want to run this, we need to use neb console. You can see that in the last tutorial that we did, but not in the video, but in the written guide. We didn't go over it, but I can show you now. First, step 1, we need to cd into our root directory. So let's do that now. Documents, go to source. Okay, and if we do /neb console, welcome to the neb JavaScript console. Now we can type api.get account state and then type in that address. Right, this is our contract address that we received here. See the contract address? That's the one you want to paste inside here in between quotations. Okay, close it up, hit enter. You see the balance is 0. We're just checking if it was deployed successfully. So for this tutorial, we're just going to be deploying the contract and then checking the state, and that was the main goal for this, and we'll be going on to the next tutorial. See you then.